beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, today, as y'all can see, it's gonna be another wig review. It's gonna be more like a show and tell because I am trying to give y'all these affordable slaves so y'all can look good for the summer. And y'all already know these braided wigs and these headband wigs can get a bit pricey at times, but y'all, I am bringing y'all a headband wig slate, which is very beginner friendly, and on top of that, I'm giving y'all these false locks. Like, are y'all feeling these false locks? Like, look at this color. The color is a 1B30, and she is 18 inches long. And like, do y'all like, can y'all see like this texture? Can y'all see this life that I am giving y'all with this braided hairstyle wig? And let me tell y'all how much it was. I got this for under $30. Yes, y'all, a braided wig for under $30. Like, how good is that? Cause y'all know these braided wigs, y'all know for false locks, if y'all go to a stylist to get them done, they gon' bust y'all head. It's gonna be very, very expensive. And y'all already know these braided wigs can get very, very, very high. They could get probably up to like $200. So I am giving y'all a more affordable option, and I'm bringing y'all some false locks for under $30. And yes, y'all, she is synthetic. And I know when I was, putting my mousse in her, she was shedding, but she wasn't shedding like a whole lot. And she has like some yucky texture in her. And y'all, guess what? I got this wig from AliExpress. I got this wig from AliExpress, y'all. So AliExpress come through with the headband wig slate, with this braided hairstyle that y'all can do in 5 minutes, and you can go on out the door. And the company that I got her from is called HANNE Hair, and they do, you have the option to follow them on AliExpress. And I will also link the price and everything in the description box below. I will also leave y'all the website and everything so y'all can go and check her out. Like I said, get into it. I like how it's a 1B30 color. I like how it lines up at the end. It gives you like that natural brown hair color, and I am feeling it. I am loving it. I really, really like the length. I'm liking the fullness of her. Like, y'all, I am excited. This is a very, very pretty summer hairstyle, and y'all know summertime is coming up. So y'all know, how we black women, we like to rock our braids in the summertime. And all y'all natural sisters out there, I know y'all like to rock y'all braids so y'all don't have to deal with your natural hair all the time. And what better way to start the summer off like this? And like I said, y'all, I will leave everything in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.